Yo, what up? My name's Tyler. I've been playing drums for a little over 20 years, something like that, and then I've been teaching for about 10. I play in a band called Morning Drive. Just a couple of real close friends. We decided to start writing music together, and it's been going super well. I usually play 2Bs, and that's why I decided to go with the Collision. And to be honest, they're very consistent. I don't really have anything bad to say about them. Solid sticks, like really well. I like the front end weight of 2Bs. I come from a marching background, so having a little thicker stick and a little more front end weight, I really enjoy. That's just more comfortable for me. So they are a bit more heavier on that end, but I do like it. I also like the beaters. They're not super tapered and they're not super flat, so I do like that. Especially going around towns with a heavier stick like this, it's easy to dent the heads depending on your touch. So these are actually really nice, and I slam drums, so I'd recommend going with Collision. They have really good customer service. They email back like almost immediately or within like the next 12 hours, 24 hours, whatever. They're really good. They do take into consideration on feedback on sticks very well, and they actually apply it, which is super nice. I've seen plenty of other companies not do that, so it's nice. They actually do kind of care about the quality that they're making out. Also, like another big thing coming from them, I've never bought sticks online. I always buy them in person. So I was a bit on the leery side of ordering them online. But the fact that my first pair came in, and I think it was the second pair? Second, third pair, whatever. They're all the same pitch. So I didn't have any problems. Like, they all came in the same pitch, which is super rare. It's hard to get sticks like that consistently. That's why I'm saying that they are really good. So right now I'm going to play through our latest single release called Live It Up by Morning Drive. Check it out. It's on all streaming platforms. I hope you like it.
Tell me to be patient. It's all about the ride, not a specific destination. Light it up, oh, live my life like a vacation. Gotta live it up, not enough time to be wasted, not enough. So don't tell me to be patient. It's all about the ride, not a specific destination. Oh. Live it up, nah, 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 whoa. Never listen what they say, cause there's really not much to it. Keep you focused on the fact, cause they don't care about how you do until you pay. And it's just another day. Smile